Otter Creek Woodworks is a woodworking company, and we focus on artisanally made charcuterie boards. A charcuterie board is a canvas for the food that you're going to present on it. As a woodworker, you're kind of stuck in your shop listening to the buzz of the machines, and what I wanted to do was connect and say, come on, build your own board with me. So when we go into the forest, I want to teach reverence. I want people to grab the soil. I want them to feel how moist the soil is and smell it. I want them to look up, and I want them to see the color in the trees and all those branches suspended in air. The wonder of trees, the wonder of the forest, and that whole ecosystem that dwells within the forest, from the animals to the fungi at our feet. So when people come back into the shop, I hope they're inspired from their time in the forest, seeing all the nooks and crannies of the trees. And my goal is to channel that creativity into the piece of wood that they have in front of them. The first thing they're going to do is they're going to draw their board, and then they're going to continue to shape it. They're going to use the hand tools, my grandfather's hand tools, to craft their live edge. For me, there's something about the raw steel, the crunching of the fibers of the wood under that blade, and I hope they feel that same connection as I do. I hope people leave with an appreciation for wood, for the forest, for the food of my local region. Tree to Table is not just about building a board, it's a shared experience.